Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Land Rover Discovery commercial. So from any screen, if we go to phone, click the phone button here, then you've got select phone, click OK, select phone. Then you've got delete or Barry's iPhone 12 to actually select it. There's an arrow at the side of delete, so we click the arrow at the side, and there's only my phone connected at the moment, so we click to delete Barry's iPhone. Do you want to delete Barry's iPhone? OK, or if not, we just click the arrow down to cancel. So I've clicked OK, that's it, the phone's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Land Rover Discovery commercial. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Oops, didn't mean to shut that down, just meant to. And then we're watching out at the bottom here. Land Rover's already come up, but I'm going to click phone anyway, get it on the right phone. You've got select phone there, so we'll click Land Rover, and it's asking me for a pin. The pins come up on here, it's generated a random pin, 1872. So if I hurry up and put that in, click pair, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Bluetooth pairing complete, and then here we go, Land Rover connected. So that's it. Another good thing with this system is if I go to my music, let me see, I'll just click that, play, turn it down. So that's playing, it will be in a minute, and you see there, if I click the silver triangle and the 3 silver circles, you've got Land Rover there. That means there's a tick next to it, any audio playing through this phone, when that's set properly, the audio will come through the speakers in the car, whether it be Amazon Prime Music or Amazon Music or Spotify, iTunes, or even a soundtrack off a video on YouTube. It will play through the speakers. So we'll just go back, well, actually, right, over to the system, click auxiliary. The first one, it's come up auxiliary line in, that's not the one you want, so you have to click it again, and that's Bluetooth audio. If I turn that up, then turn this up, as you can see, the music from here is playing through the speakers. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.